Welcome to the farm. My name is Sierra Sears, and I will be making for you a hot noddy. Not a hot toddy, a hot noddy. Should I be gentle with the babies?
So this is the kind of that what you're used to seeing from a store. And you can see that whole thing was attached right here. So this was the seed piece, and it grew that whole new hand. So the ginger itself is a rhizome. These are actually the roots, these little kind of...
These?
Yeah.
They look like dreads.
Kind of look like dreads, the ginger dreads. We should make a cocktail with this.
We should make a cocktail with this.
Right? What would you make?
A hot noddy.
Let's do it.
Okay. We're gonna add all our ingredients in the cup first. Actually, no, we're not. We're not gonna do that. We're not gonna do that first. We're gonna steep our tea first so that can get going while we mix in the other ingredients. So first, I'm gonna put some lemon rind in here. It's really good for the season, fall. I love tea, the weather's changing, so that's always good. Get some large rinds here so we can get the bitterness and acidity in our tea. And then some fresh sage straight from the farm that smells amazing, like a good bunch. We're gonna do a little bit more because I love sage. Then, baby ginger that also came straight from the farm. Just gonna cut a few pieces because ginger is very strong, so you don't wanna put too much in your tea. It will overpower it. Just gonna put about this amount. We'll get all these steeping. Realistically, you should probably steep for about 3 to 5 minutes since these aren't dried ingredients. We really want to make sure the flavors express themselves. So our tea is steeping, and we'll add the Spicy Turmeric Simple Syrup, an ounce of that. And our phenol glycerate. This is very strong and sweet, so we don't want to add too much. About 1 dropper will do it. This will be really good with our warm flavors that we have steeping in our tea. 5 minutes later. So after our tea is steeped, we're just gonna pour it over top of our other ingredients. I love tea mocktails because it's perfect for the season. These flavors blend really well together. It's healthy, it's, you know, it's excellent. For aromatics, the hydrosol rosemary spray. A few will do. A few more. And now it's perfect. This is actually good as shit, honestly. Oh, sorry. Okay. I think I'm done.